Sergeant Josham.
Just information. If possible, you may be Second Amendment YouTuber. Just for information.
So let me ask you something. You said respectfully. Train us, since you're so good at this. What could we have done differently? Can you let me know what social media I'm going to be on, please, so I can watch it? That's all I'm asking. Perez. Well, we can't draw on them?
Ask one more time. Am I being detained for a crime?
Yes.
For what crime?
No, not a crime. For our investigation. Right now, you're being detained. Okay?
For your investigation.
Yes.
All right.
So what do they do this for?
Am I being detained?
Bro, you have nothing
Yes.
to do with
For what crime? What crime am I being detained for?
Now, since I'm going to be on TV and I didn't sign no disclaimer to be on... Wait. I'm talking to you. I didn't sign a disclaimer to be on TV. Where can I get my cut from?
Oh yeah, I'll
You're a public official.
my email address so you can send it to me.
Later, guys.
It's drfisherman@gmail.com.
Is it? This is harassment.
No, you guys are pro-cess. This is harassment.
This is
if
harassment.
We were different. He's not engaged. He's observing. You guys should do
Engaging. Wow. Big words. If you lived here or you were at this park with your children and you see men walking around with big guns, you don't know what their intentions are. Wouldn't you call the police? We got the guns? Do we have the guns?
It's going to be a setup for like a civil rights, just so you know, because it might be a setup. It is lawful to carry a firearm while in the action of fishing.
I'm done talking to you guys. Go do your job.
Wow. I can't.
That's what they did. So if you were breaking the law, if you were firing that in any direction, I'm pretty sure the response would have been a lot different.
Exactly.
Because you were law-abiding, our responses changed. So it came from not knowing what you guys are doing with a gun to, we see what they're doing with a gun, so now we're just going to investigate, see what's going on.
Exactly.
Your investigation.
Did they say that the guy was armed at the fishing dock?
Are we done yet?
Wow. So angry. Unbelievable. Making money. Oh, violation of rights.
Yeah, they were hoping that we didn't know that they can open carry.
Oh my God.
They need to find a new scam though. Hey, you guys need to find a new scam. Like this is like an old one.
Ain't nobody scamming. You came out here.
We can't make this stuff up. This can't be happening.
This is called the millennials.
Wow.
That's good.
Well, just so you know, we are hiring if you want to jump on board.
All right.
You good?
Good.
All right, because we could use people like you.